Calling all HR and operations staff. How many times are you trying to get your teams to follow a process? Or answering the same question for the umpteenth time? Like, where's our PTO policy? Let's be real. Your time is too valuable for that. It's time to stop repeating yourself and start using the power of Microsoft Copilot to create clarity, consistency, and cause massive time savings in your business. Let's check it out. So, what you're going to see today is what we call an agent. And an agent allows you to create custom prompts within Microsoft Copilot. You can use this agent and create as many as you'd like across the entire enterprise, as long as they have the functions of Microsoft Copilot. You can customize and program them to however you want them to respond, as well as you can get these on mobile as well. So if they have Microsoft Teams on their mobile, they can get these questions answered too. And best of all, you get clear, consistent answers in seconds. So now, if it was this easy, everybody would be doing it. And so they're going to. Let's check this out. So what you're going to see here on the far right is we have two agents set up. One says HR policy, one says one-to-one procedures. What is the difference between the two of these being set up? Well, number one, the one that has HR policy, it is required that you utilize the Microsoft technology. In this scenario, it's SharePoint. And I have a folder called Handbook. This handbook right now is a PDF. Right now, I have one of those agents set up on this PDF policy. And what would happen is an employee would come into Microsoft Teams, click on Copilot, and now all they have to do is ask it a question. What is the PTO policy? What it does is it utilizes that content out of that PDF, Word document, or a selection of files, if that's what you choose, and it indexes the information and provides the answer directly to the employee, as you can see, right from this format. At the same time, it gives them a copy, if you choose to give them, of the handbook where this information was pulled from. That is amazing, right? Now let's talk about procedures. In this scenario, there is a folder out on SharePoint called procedures. And those procedures are copied in to that folder, and they can be multiple folders as well. So what it allows you to do is it allows you to then, as you can see here, company procedures, and you can see that they're in folders. And many of those folders have a ton of files that are in there. Look at all these files. What it does is it allows us to create a now, let's just say, HR assistant, and they can ask how to do something, right? How do I create a new user? And what it does is it searches all of those policies quite quickly, and then it tells you and responds to the person based around your policies and procedures, and then gives them the response where that came from. Unbelievable, right? So easy. So let's talk about this a little bit more. So here's the deal. You do need to have it set up properly within the Microsoft ecosystem to get the most out of Copilot. But that's where one-to-one comes in. We'll help you get everything up and running smoothly. Now think about it. If you could stop answering repetitive questions and actually get your team rowing in the same direction, what is that worth to you? $30 a month per user? That's a no-brainer. Now let's get ready, get started, and let's talk Microsoft Copilot with inside your HR and business. Give us a call today.